Just a quick video on how to fix one of these cheap watch winders that you get from Amazon. If it stops working, chances are that the gearbox in one of the motors has gone wrong. Well, the way you find out is by plugging it in, then unplugging one of these motors to see if it runs. See, it's not running at the moment even though it's plugged in. So if I unplug this motor, see, it's now running again. So that tells me that the top gearbox is snagging. So I just need to fiddle around with that, sort the cogs out or whatever's wrong with it, realign it all, and then it should work.